Hello friends, in today's video we would be discussing 11 tricks to stay alert during exam season. Say goodbye to sleepy studying. Hello friends, exam season is here and for many students staying awake and focused while studying can be a major struggle. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we are sharing 11 tricks to help you stay alert and focused during exam season. Friends, the first trick is take regular breaks. Taking regular breaks is key to avoiding fatigue and staying focused. Set a timer and take a short walk or a stretch every hour to refresh your mind and body. Friends, the second point is get moving. Physical activity is a great way to boost energy and alertness. Try doing some light exercises at your desk like jumping jacks or squats to keep your body moving and your mind sharp. Friends, the third point is hydrate. Staying hydrated is crucial for staying alert and focused. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day and avoid sugary or caffeinated drinks that can dehydrate you. Friends, the next point is avoid procrastination. Procrastination can lead to last-minute cramming and added stress. Create a to-do list and break down your studying into manageable chunks to stay on track and to avoid the stress. Friends, the fifth point is use natural light. Natural light is a great way to boost energy and stay alert. Try studying near a window or outside if possible to take advantage of natural light. Friends, the sixth point is avoid mobile or TV before bed. The blue light emitted by screens can disrupt your sleep cycle. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bed to ensure a better night's rest. Friends, the next point is eat healthy. Eating a healthy diet can help you stay alert and focused. Avoid sugary or processed foods that can leave you feeling sluggish and instead opt for fruits, vegetables and lean proteins. Friends, the eighth point is get a good night's sleep. Getting a good night's sleep is essential for staying alert and focused during the day. Set a consistent bedtime and wake up time and avoid staying up late cramming for exams. Friends, the next point is try aromatherapy. Certain scents can help promote alertness and concentration. Try using essential oils or burning scented candles to help you stay focused during your studying sessions. Friends, the next point is take a short nap. If you're feeling tired and unable to focus, try taking a short nap. A power nap of about 20 to 30 minutes can help to refresh your mind and boost your energy. And friends, the 11th tip is find a study buddy. Having a study buddy can help you keep accountable and motivated. Find a friend or a classmate who is also studying for exams and schedule regular study sessions together. And friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed the small video on 11 tricks to stay alert during exam season. Thank you so much for watching this video and I would be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.